Hey everyone! So this is the painting that caused me so much headache 2 videos ago. And I'm totally blanking on the techniques, but I know that it took me like over half an hour and I'm still iffy on it. And then this was the mallet smash. That was amazing. Excuse me. But I opted not to tilt it, and it all shriveled up. So I will be painting over this one. And then this is the one I did after that. And it was a mallet smash, but then I ended up blowing it out. And I love the bright, vivid colors. It's really fun. So I'm happy with this one. And today I am painting over that swipe that also, because I didn't tilt or anything, shriveled up. And all the cells just got really teeny tiny, yucky. So that is why tilting and spreading it out can be a necessity. I really did not expect that to happen with that hammer smash though. And it was so perfect. Watch the video. It'll be 2 videos ago. And it was so perfect at the end of the video. And I don't even think I took a picture of it. I guess I could get a still from the video, but. So, we're going to paint over this. Woo! This is a lot of paint. I don't think I'll need quite this much, but you really never know. No, I do not need this much. I need to find my paper towels. Dripping paint everywhere. I will find little chips of white paint all over the house from just me walking down here. So this is blue of all of my blues. And then this is a neon purple, or fluorescent purple, or however you want to say it. Liquitex Basic Payne's Gray. ARTEZA Carmine Red. And then this is white with a little bit of silicone in it. And use my cardboard, which is what I always like to use, but I use paper towels for this one, but back to my cardboard. Ah, crud. cardboard is failing me. What's the deal? Ha! Alright. Not happy with my cardboard. But maybe. Alright. Oops. Actually, let's see. Of course, this isn't working. But you can see how cool those are. But if I don't tilt, they would end up shriveling. But you know what? Kind of. Alright, let's get rid of that. Ooh, do you see? Oops. So, I'll see if anybody is listening, see if they'll comment on my nice, sweet story, because I am now working at a daycare with the babies at the Jewish Community Center. And one of the families who picked up tonight, she thanked me for taking care of her child, and she then just brought me into a big bear hug and just said, "Thank you so much." And I felt so appreciated that I almost started crying. And so I'm sharing my story. So tomorrow, well, I guess if you're I don't know what time of day you're watching this, but show somebody that you appreciate them. Sounds corny, but do it. And thank me later. I don't know why this paint is not moving right here. But right now, that's amazing. on it. I forgot there's still silicone on here. Way too much paint. So we shall tilt. And we are going to tilt this way. And I have now explained to you why we have to tilt. Whether we want to or not. But actually, I think I'm going to like this tilt because it's going to stretch out these cool pieces. And the stuff going off the other end wasn't all that special, so bye-bye. Looks like some kind of winged bird. Hang on, I'm just gonna massively tilt. And then bring it back. Bring that winged bird back home. Still way too much paint. I'm going to just do such a super fast tilt. I'll let that drip off for a bit. This edge over here is phenomenal. This is totally digging this. Looks like it's melting. keeps getting bigger. It's kind of cool. Oh, I just don't want to leave. There's so much here. Let's see if we do a hard tilt this way. I know you can't really see what I'm doing. But apparently what I'm doing is ruining it. Alrighty. Well. Oh boy. This canvas. Yeah. I think it would be stiffer after having all these paintings on them. But oh well. Let's just call this one a wash. Literally, because I'll need to now. They can't all be winners, can they? Thanks for watching, though. Bye.